Today we're going to review one of the most important applications you can have when it comes to industrial vacuum, and that's point-of-source extraction. A lot of people ask it what it is. Well, it's using high velocity to collect the dust at the source before it comes airborne. You're going to eliminate cross-contamination, bacteria spread, and also get rid of the dust that's potentially combustible and can get up overhead that you have to clean later. So we have a 3-inch stainless steel arm that allows you to articulate it. It gets mounted to the wall. Has a regulator on here that allows you to control the vac, and you can control the angle at which the head goes in. We're going to show you today why this works, how it works, and you can connect it to any one of our portable vacuums or our regional vac system. Right now we have it connected to a 115 volt vacuum. You're going to see inside of here our demo room. We use a mixture of dust. We can test any material. You're going to see that we're pouring this material in, and you're not going to see any of the dust escape that. What would that look like if I didn't have that? Well, let's take this very same dust I just poured in there and show you how dusty that really is. You can see the amount of dust that's going up into that. When you put this down into the surface of your container, you're effectively going to collect that dust at the source before it becomes airborne. Very important. Where would you use this? You would use this on a ribbon blender or a mixer or maybe a tumbler where you're applying some type of fine dust, or any bagging system, anywhere where your fine dust is escaping your process. You can't extend your dust collector because you're already overextended, so you need to put a regional system in to take it right at the source, and that's where you're going to use a Goodway vacuum. This one, we're hooked up to a regional vac system, so we have all the tubing delivering it to the overhead point-of-source extractor. And you're going to see that we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to take that dust and we're going to collect it, and none of that's going to come out. Let's again give you an idea of what that looks like. If I were to take this whole bin of dust, you can see we're producing the amount of dust that's being collected, but that dust is escaping into our point-of-source collector. Without it, it would be very dusty. With it, we're collecting it at the source. Here at Goodway, we have a full demo lab with all of our equipment set up, including these point-of-source arms. If you want us to test your specific material, let us know, send us some, and we'll duplicate your test here and show you exactly how it works. Thanks for reviewing our point-of-source collection by Goodway.